welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do unboxing. I think I'm kind of unboxing stuff early before my birthday, so that's kind of like my gift to myself. Aww. Like finally, I know I'm late when it's come to the iPhone unboxing stuff. That's why I'm not even calling this video unboxing thing, because I know I'm pretty late on that. I know. Don't even try. Oh god, are you killing me now? Okay, I'm trying to be neat, but it's not even happening because I'm excited. Okay, my birthday is coming, so I was like, you know what, I should get myself something for my birthday. Why not? I mean, I'm not too, I don't know, this year I'm trying to keep it simple. I'm not really going crazy like I'm usually. So let's see what we have. Okay, the first thing, it's my, are you guys ready for that? Because I am! I'm excited, oh my god, oh fuck. Okay, this is, alright, I understand they have to protect the phone, but god damn it. This is my first time ever ship out a phone to my house, so I'm not sure how I feel about it, but alright, anyway. Oh, this is it. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm excited. Oh, you cannot get your first drop yet. It's can't happening, okay? Yo, this shit, I mean, it's a little bit bigger than my phone, but this shit is nice though. Like, there's so many videos about this iPhone. I ain't gonna waste my time and make a video about that. I'm not doing that, okay? But I'm gonna see if it's gonna open. Yeah, oh god, I'll finally get to the Apple life. Like, when I say that I was trying to stay with my Samsung, I was trying. I tried pretty hard. I did, but oh, I thought it was an earphone. I was so excited. Like, oh my god. Nah, it's just a fucking headset. Who cares about headset no more? No one. Hola, ¿cómo está? That's what it said, but fucking hell, I know it's not what it said. It's supposed to be English. Anyway guys, we're not gonna even like focus on the iPhone that much. I'm waiting for my friend to kind of like fix it up for me. So let's do the big phone. I mean, let's do this one. Okay, this is why we're really here today. So I'm excited. Like, I am for this one. This one is different. I am very excited. Like, I have this. Name into the damn thing. Never. Yep. I won't find her name. I swear to you, I won't find her name. When I say to you I won't find her name, I'm serious about that. Yep, I won't find the name of the company. No, it's not. So I know the mail guy is tired of me. He's like, god damn, this woman has something. I have to try to hide my address, but okay. So far, like, I love the way they, oh my god, they take their time. I'm tired guys. I basically just got home from work and I was like, you know what, let me do this video, because if I don't just do the video, I will never do it. So this is what I'm trying my best to, you know, bring you guys content instead of being lazy and always complain about how I'm tired. I'm gonna just do it. Okay. I was afraid. I'm like, is that a rat? Yo, I will be dropping. Okay. No, but it's not. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. Oh god. Alright, the first part is out. Can you even wait? This is, let's see. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Wait. Oh my. Yo! This is crazy. Nah, they're taking the piss. They even give you like the wheel box. Oh hell no. Hell to the no. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Dang. Oh my god, finally. Okay. Are you guys ready? Shoot. I'm excited. Are you guys ready? Because I'm fucking excited right there, okay? I'm excited. I got my Louboutin bag. Yes. I know it's fake, okay? I know that. So I don't want nobody to be in the comment and be like, bitch, you're so happy for a fake Louboutin bag. Yes, I am. Because at the end of the day, this still costs $300 to $400, I think. I don't even remember. But I got the bag. Now the bag don't feel that well to me compared to the one that I have over here, but it's okay. So they get you all the like Louboutin stuff. I don't even have to open this but let's see the bag. What I'm really interested in is the bag. It's what it, oh my god, I can't even wait. Oh fuck, okay, I get it. Oh my god, this is the first birthday gift ever. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. My first fake Louboutin bag. I can't even say the name well. Maybe that's why I don't have a real one. Yeah, God be like, nah, you're not ready for a real one yet. Okay, so this supposed to be 4. So maybe that's the way to tell it's fake, because this supposed to be 4. I'm not sure why it's 3, but this is what's happening. But look at that, guys. Come on, it's very shiny. But come on, for $300, I ain't gonna complain. First of all, I ain't gonna complain. But let me know, guys, if you ever buy from them. I'm gonna put the name right here for you guys. But listen. Okay, for $300, I'm happy. I'm happy. It looked nice. Now it looks different from the real Louboutin bag. I will say a little bit different. I don't know. I'll try to look for a picture and to compare them. But this is cute. This is really cute. It's not bad. Alright guys, so let me show you. Let me really show you the bag before I even finish the damn video. But that's nice. I love it. I think I'm gonna wear it after my birthday. I'm gonna start going out with it after my birthday. But for now, I don't want to be taking like I have money trying to rob me. But shit. But it's nice, you know. It's really nice. I like it. I really do. So guys, I am happy to say that I got my phone in my Louboutin bag. So wait, I'm gonna try to find the name of the company because and look for the name for ya, because it's not fair to the company to not show the name of the bag. So that's the name. I think it's uubags.su. So I will post the link below for you guys. This one was like $387. It's coming for Dove's bag, shopping bag, pamphlet. It's like a replica, but it's true mirror to the original one. I'm gonna show you the original one. If I could find the original one, hold on. I'm gonna try to find the original bag and to show you guys how it looks like. That's the original one. As you guys can see, it's kind of like, but like I said, the bottom's supposed to have 4, not 2. Like the original one have 4, and then the bottom, this one have 3. That would be the only thing that I would say that I can tell the difference. But other than that, I love it. I do. I love it. I think it's a nice bag. It's a nice bag. I love it. I'm not gonna complain. I love it. Okay, so if you guys wanna check them out, be sure to check them out. Okay, like, you know, when you check them out, make sure you said that Mountain of Beauty sent you. I'm not sure if I have a discount code for them. I don't think so. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I was just really trying to show you guys my phone and my new bag, and that I have also a bikini video coming up for you guys, and I also have a lovely wholesale video coming for you guys. I'm trying to post more video for you guys. It's, you know, a lot coming, so be patient with me. I know I have to work in do YouTube. Yeah, maybe I'll do a 1 day on my life for you guys so you can see, you know, how my day go. But I also have a video on this hair, guys. This is from superwig.com, and this is the edge delays. I am in love. It takes me a minute to kind of like figure this wig out, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, your girl fight with this wig, okay? But when I did, it was like, okay, I can make it look natural. It was okay. I still feel like I still can make it look better than that, but so far, okay, it's not that bad. And I'm using the, this glow. I will put the name for you guys below. So far, I gotta say it, I'm still trying this glow. I don't want to comment on this glow, but goddamn, it seems like it's there, it's not moving. I don't want to comment on this glow yet. I'm gonna give it a real try before I do a video on this glow. But so far, guys, so good. So I said to myself, I will do like a proper video, maybe get another wig and to do this to comment on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like always, guys, I love you so damn much. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your friends. Bye. Bye, guys.